J Park Island Resort. This is Tina. May I help you?
Hello, I would like to book a reservation, please. Is that possible, ma'am?
Of course, ma'am. May I know who is in the line, please?
I'm Merfina Lubiano, and I would like to book for good for two people.
Yes, miss. We have the deluxe ocean view room that has one extra large double bed, private bathroom, and flat screen TV. It is also air conditioned and has access to free Wi-Fi. It is a balcony that features a view on the beautiful ocean. The rate for this is 20,400 pesos per night. Next is our deluxe room. For our deluxe room, it has its own private bathroom also and flat screen TV, and it is air conditioned and access to free Wi-Fi. It has a balcony that has city view and garden view, and it's rated for 16,000 pesos per night.
Okay, I'll take the deluxe ocean view room.
All right, miss. When is your date and time for your arrival?
Okay, I'll be arriving at 5th of June, and I'll be staying there for 3 days and 2 nights.
All right, ma'am. What would be the mode of your payment?
I'll be paying by card.
Okay, miss. Could you tell me your credit card number and your cell phone number, please?
Sure, my credit card number is 06231801. And my phone number is 0961-634-6065.
All right, Miss Murphy. Is there anything else that I can do for you?
No, I'm good.
All right, so you reserved the deluxe ocean view room under the name of Murphy Mendoviano. Your arrival will be June 5 and depart on June 7. Your mode of payment is credit card with a credit card number 06-281-801 and your cell phone number is 0961-634-6065. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it's all correct.
All right, Miss Murphy, it's a pleasure talking with you. We're very happy to have you here soon and have a good rest of your day.
Okay, bye. Thanks.
Good morning. Welcome to J Park Island Hotel. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to book a room, but I want to see the selections first.
Of course, this way to the front office. This way, ma'am. If you'll excuse me, ma'am. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to Jacob Island Resort. How may I help you?
Good morning. I want to book a room, but I want to see the selections first. Would that be possible?
Absolutely not. At the moment, we have two rooms. We have our deluxe room and deluxe ocean view room.
Okay, I'd like to see them.
May I know your name, please?
It's Rosel Cinco.
All right, Ms. Rosal, can you wait for a moment? PG, Miss Dolores, can you approach the front desk, please? Can you show our guest there, Ms. Rosal, to our deluxe room and our deluxe ocean view room? Yes. And where's the card?
This way, Mr. Sam. Is it your first time in J Park Island Resort?
Yes, it actually is.
Oh, I'm sure you have a lovely stay here. So our establishment has 6 separate swimming pools and 2 restaurants that serves a to-die for cuisine and a private beach and also a spa and also a bar that you can go to at night and if you want to party.
Wow, that sounds wonderful.
So here we are in the first room. Housekeeping room check. Housekeeping room check. Housekeeping room check. So here's the deluxe room. So its rate is 16,000 pesos per night and it has a 1 extra large double bed and it is air conditioned and have access to free Wi-Fi and it has a balcony that has city view and garden view.
Wow, it's a good one. So, can we move on to another room?
Wait this way. So let's move on to the next room. This way, please. Here we are at the second room. Housekeeping room check. Housekeeping room check. Housekeeping room check. So this is the deluxe ocean view room. The rate is 20,400 pesos per night, and it is the same with the deluxe room. It has a one large extra bed, and also it has a air conditioned and free access to Wi-Fi, and it has a balcony that has a that features a fabulous and beautiful ocean view.
Wow, all your rooms are incredible, but I think I like this room the most. Can I book this room?
Absolutely, ma'am. Please follow me to the front office.
Okay.
Good morning. Welcome to Chi Park Island Resort. How may I help you?
May I know where your front desk is?
Of course. This way, please. Okay. If you'll excuse me, please.
Good morning, welcome to J Park Island Resort. How may I help you?
Good morning. I want to check in, please.
Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes, I do. It's actually under the name of Versita Luciano.
Booking Miss Lubiano, may I see your passport or card?
Here, ma'am.
Miss Lubiano, you book our deluxe ocean view room and your stay will be until June 7, 12 p.m. Your mode of payment is through credit card. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that is right.
Can you sign it here? Here. All good to go, Miss Lubiano. I hope you have a delightful stay here in our resort. Paging Miss Ordizano, can you approach to the front desk, please?
Right away, ma'am.
Can you show to our guest, Miss Lubiano, to her room, please?
Absolutely. Miss Lubiano, may I have your luggage first?
Yeah, sure.
This way, please. Here we are in your room, Miss Lubiano. Housekeeping room check. Housekeeping room check. Housekeeping room check. After you, miss.
Thank you.
Where should I put your luggage, Miss Lubiano?
Just put it right there.
Here is your hot and cold shower. It was controlled in the little valve over there. And also, here is your telephone. If you have any concerns, just dial 0 and it will direct to the front office. Here's your mini bar, Miss Lubiano. All snacks that be taken will be charged in your room, except for this water bottle and cookies basket over there. Those are completely free.
Okay, got it.
I think that would be all, Miss Lubiano. If you don't have any concern, I'll be on my way.
Yeah, thank you.
Here's your key card, Miss Lubiano. Thank you for choosing that G Park Island Resort. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.